Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package here from Madam Glam. This is the September collection. It's called the House of Change. It's a very special collection. The bottles are different, I've heard. I've only been told this. I don't know what they look like. I don't know the colors. All I know is they sent me the whole collection. So it's going to be a big surprise and I am so excited to see these polishes. But first we're going to go ahead and take a look at the box. Whatever a VIP wants, a VIP gets always 50% off. They are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21 free formula, and HEMA-free. And this is their socials here. Yes, I'm so excited. I haven't even taken a peek. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh, the bottles. Yes. Look at these bottles. They have a gold cap. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And right away I see some glitters. I see some glitter polishes. Oh my goodness. All right, so I just wanted to get a better look at these. And these are actually made in Korea. They're Korean gels. There are 5 syrups and 3 glittery gels. So 1 coat is for a subtle translucent finish, and then 2 coats is for a deep effect. Night on Mars. It's like a coppery glitter. This is moon dust. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's gold with like a rainbow shift. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the last one of the glitters is high vibration, and look at this. Oh my gosh, it's like a blackish gray glitter. I just want to take a look at this teal. Caught my eye right away. Look at this, how beautiful. Absolutely love dark teals like this. Oh, it's so pretty. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get our swatch sticks ready and swatch these. All right, so I already went ahead and put base coat on my swatch sticks, and I went ahead and labeled them with like a little fall design because these are very much fall colors. And oh my gosh, these are just gorgeous. I like the bottles, they're cute. So the first one we're gonna look at is Moon Dust, and I just love the name. And then oh my gosh, look at this. And then the next one here is High Vibration, and it's that beautiful, it's like a blackish kind of gray color with the also with the rainbow glitters. Very, very pretty. And then the last glitter one here is Night on Mars. And this is like a very, this is like a copper, coppery glitters. Look at that. All right, now we're going to be moving into the cream colors, and this first one is called Abundance. And then the next one we have is Focus, and it's a very pretty, oh, it's like a, kind of like a mustard yellow, but a little bit muted. Look at that, how pretty. And then we have Magnetic, which looks like a reddish orange. Oh, this is very cute for fall. This one is a little bit more sheer than the other ones, but we're gonna go ahead and we'll do 2 coats. Oh, I'm so excited for this one, Virgo. It's like a beautiful turquoise. Oh my gosh, I love these turquoise colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. How pretty. Yes, this color is, oh, just gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And then the last one is called Prosper Us, the U, capital U-S. It looks like a very dark green. Ooh, this is a pretty green. It's like an olive green, like a dark olive green. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, very exciting. All right, so I'm gonna let those cure, and then I'm gonna do a second coat and put a top coat, and then I'll be right back. All right, so these are the 3 glitter shades here. Look at that. Look how pretty these are. This one actually has gold flakes in it. So yeah, I think, yeah, they do all have little flakes and glitters. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes, these are the 3 glitters. Oh, so pretty. All right, and these are the rest of the colors here. Look how pretty they are. So I did half glossy and half matte. And look at that. Oh my gosh, they're just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous colors. Yes, so I will think about if that's exactly what I want to do, and then I'll be right back to get started on the set. All right, so I already put my tips on here. I'm just using some square tips. And I'm going to be using try to use all the colors. I use all of them except for 2 glitters. So I'm just going to take all the cream colors, and I'm going to be putting 1 color on each nail. So we're going to start with Abundance here on the pinky. I love this color. It's just so pretty. This grayish, I don't know, it's like a grayish brown to me. It's really, really pretty. So I do go in and do 2 coats. I'm just going to show 1 coat on each finger, but this one too is just so pretty. These are just perfect for fall. So you will see I'm not exactly doing a set. I'm just basically, I wanted to use all the colors to show all the colors, and I'm going to do a design on each nail. So just some like fall ideas, designs. But I will be definitely using these in my fall sets coming up. I'm probably going to start the fall sets well, yeah, this month, September. So yeah, this orange too is just perfect. They're just perfect fall colors. I enjoyed these polishes so much. This one here is my absolute favorite, Virgo. Just, oh, this gorgeous dark, I guess it's a dark teal. I don't know, on here it looks a little bit more bluer, but it is kind of like on the greenish, you know, teal side. And then the last color on the thumb is Prosper Us, and it's just a beautiful green, very, very pretty green. It starts off like an olive, and then when you put the second coat, you know, it gets a little bit darker, but it's going to be perfect for Christmas also. Very, very pretty. You'll see what I do with the thumb, and it just came out so gorgeous. Definitely Christmas vibes. And then here we go with the 2 coats here. I think it was the orange one that I did do 3 coats, because that one was a little bit more translucent. So I am going to make these matte. I'm going to be using the Velvet Matte Top Coat. I don't know, I just feel, I don't know, to me, I love shiny, you know, glossy nails, but for fall, I just think matte looks so good with these colors. But look at that, how pretty that matte is. Oh, I just love it. Gorgeous. So now we're going to get started with the nail art, and I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do. I know I wanted to try to do some nail art. Like I said, I'm not good at drawing at all, but I wanted to give it a try. And this nail actually took me quite a long time to do because I don't know, I just couldn't get my line straight enough. But on this nail, I'm going for like that patchwork style here. So yeah, just wanted to give that a try. I'd never done that before. So I'm going to be using the Madam Glam. I have 2 of their brushes. I actually got last year in the advent calendar, and I really like their brushes. So I'm going to be using the brushes, and then I'm also going to be using, of course, the polishes for the nail art. So I'm just going in and making like a rectangle, and then I'm just going to go ahead and fill that in with the brush. And I do 2 coats. So after this, I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and then I will go in with another coat. I just don't show it because it's the same thing. I'm just going to be filling in the rectangle. And so I did go do the 2 coats already. Now I'm going in with Madam Glam's Perfect Black. And this is what I'm going to use to draw the little lines on the patches. Well, first I'm going to outline the patch with the black. And then I'll be doing the little lines also with the black. Yeah, sorry if I get out of frame. I had to be kind of close to my face, and you'll see I had to turn my hand in like all different directions because yeah, it's just, I don't know, it's just hard for me to do nail art. I mean, it's not for everybody. I think you have to really enjoy it, you know. And it's like, since I can't really draw on paper, I can't really draw on a nail. And I don't know, I love coloring, like I always loved coloring, but actually drawing, I just couldn't do it. So, you know, and I did try. I've watched videos or gotten books, and I don't know, it's just something I just really can't do. And you know, so I enjoyed, you know, using stickers. I enjoy stamping so much too. So you'll see some stamping in here. I had to do stamping, but yeah, we're just taking the black polish here and just doing the little lines that are on the patches. So then I'm going to show just one more patch here. I'm going to do this one on the side of the nail here, and I'm using the green, the Prosperous. And so I'm just going to do a little patch here on the side. Same thing, I'm just going to take the green and fill it in, and then do the little outline and then the little marks. And then I do another patch, but I didn't show that on camera because I was like, two's enough. It'll be forever a long video. Yeah, it was easier on the edge because I could just go in with the actual nail polish brush and just fill it in. But yeah, I might end up doing like a scarecrow set. I don't know, I seen one on Pinterest that was really, really cute. They drew like a scarecrow face, and they had like the little patches. It was really, really cute. So I think for my next fall set, I might try to do that, because yeah, it was just super cute. So yeah, I had to go in and clean up quite a bit, but like I said, I'm trying. But yeah, I still love to do stamping. So yeah, I had to incorporate that. So then I'm just going to go ahead and also matte top coat over the patches. But yeah, I really do like the way the patches came out. I thought they came out really cute, and those colors are just perfect together. So yes, I had to get out the stamping plate. So I'm going to be doing the maple leaves here on the ring finger. I'm using that real pretty orange color there. It's perfect fall color. I thought this looked so pretty against that yellow, and it has a shimmer to it, the stamping polish, and I ended up putting the matte over it, and look how pretty it still has that shimmer to it. So yeah, even with the matte, it still looked really, really pretty. So then I'm going in with this other little design here. I was trying to do the plaid, but it just wasn't picking up right. I don't know what was going on with that, with some of the images. Maybe they weren't engraved enough or something, but it just was not sticking at all. So I went ahead and tried this, and it didn't fit all the way. So then I just did half, and I just lined it up as much as I could and then just stamped it. And I thought it came out cute, a cute little design. And so for the index finger, I'm going to go in with moon dust. And I'm just going to be putting some glitter just around the cuticle area and like bringing it up kind of almost halfway up the nail. I just had to use this glitter. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I'm just using this little liner brush just to move all the glitters around. And like I said, it does have little flakes in it. And it's just so pretty. And I love the way the glitter looked against the matte. And then I'm just fading it up just a little bit. Alright, so now I'm taking these little maple leaves here. I think I got these on Amazon. I've had them for a while, but I thought the color matched perfectly with the glitter. So I'm just going to be putting a little bit of base coat down. And then I'm going to put that maple leaf, and then I am going to use my jelly stamper that has the LED light on it so that it will cure it in place, and it will cure it flat. And I'm going to put one more. I want to do a set like this too. Yeah, I just was putting, I don't know, I just wanted to just show some different ideas, and then, you know, people can take a nail and maybe make a set out of just, you know, the one nail, just get an idea. So yeah, but I thought this nail came out really cute. And so I did go ahead and just matte top coat where the leaves are. I stopped where the glitter was. So I just wanted to matte the, you know, bottom half of the nail. And then I don't think I showed it, but I did go in with a the shiny top coat over the glitter. So yeah, I'm using moon dust over the green, and look how pretty that looks. Oh my god, for Christmas this is gonna be gorgeous. That rainbow shift under the, oh my god, over the green, I just loved it. So yes, this is the finished set here, just to give some fall inspiration ideas. I absolutely love these colors. They were gorgeous. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending the whole collection. I'm gonna have so much fun this fall and winter. You can use them definitely into winter. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.